Diamondbacks hosting the Phillies on Thursday night. Patrick Corbin on the hill for Arizona. In the top of the second, facing Delmon Young with the bases empty. Young sends this one down the right field line, and he is going to try for two. Gerardo Parra barehands the ball, guns to second base, and Young is retired. What a play in right field from Parra. As you check out the replay, this one really not that close. And Parra all smiles in right field, and you would be too. Let's go bottom two. It's Cole Hamels facing Parra with one on and one away. And Parra goes the other way towards the left field corner. Martin Prado attempting to score from first base on the play. He's going to run right through a stop sign from third base coach Matt Williams. And that was not a good idea on Prado's part. He is hung out to dry and tagged out. Williams clearly putting up the stop sign. Prado either did not see it or ignored it, and Matt Williams not pleased. Bottom five we go. It's Corbin at the plate facing Hamels. With second and third and one man away, our game is still scoreless. And one of our favorite baseball cliches, Corbin helping his own cause. RBI ground out as the D-backs strike first, and they lead 1-0. Let's go bottom six. Arizona has runners on the corners and one man away. It is Parra back at the plate as he lays down the hard bunt to the right side. The Phillies only have one play at first base. Cody Ross scores, and it's now 2-0 Arizona. Let's go top eight. It is now a 2-1 game. David Hernandez facing Ryan Howard, bases empty, and two men away as the D-backs employ the shift on the right side.
Come inside again here. And Howard lines it in front of Pennington in shallow right. They got to play it first. And he got it right. They got him. That's a 4-3 ground out in your scorebook. Cliff Pennington from right field.
You see something new every day, don't you? That takes us top nine. The Phils have the tying run at second. 2 men away. Heath Bell trying to slam the door shut. He faces pinch hitter Lance Nix. Nix to shortstop. Didi Gregorius, the hard throw, and he gets nixed by an eyelash. That's how this one ends. The D-backs win it 2-1. Patrick Corbin 6 1/3 of one-run ball. He becomes the first player in franchise history to open a season with 7 straight starts of at least 6 innings and 2 runs allowed or fewer. Hamels takes the loss. The Phils are 1-7 in his first 8 starts this season.